Hi guys, I want to welcome you here to Sigenergy Tombstones in Kroonstad. With me today are the guys from Rellings Energy, Jock and Werner. I want to welcome you guys. Nice to see you, Werner. Nice to see you, Jock. I'm going to hand it over to you, Werner, so you can tell us a little bit about the company and what you've done here for the tombstone manufacturer.
Thank you, Cam. What a wonderful pleasure it is to be here. And I want to thank Sigenergy for wonderful products that we get to do this. So just a little bit of background about our company. We've been in business for 105 years. I'm the 5th generation in this family business of ours. And for 105 years, we've been serving our community in and around Kroonstad with professional service and exceptional quality. And we've done nothing less than that right here. So just to give you a quick rundown of what we've done is we've got on the roof, we've got 72 kilowatts of inner solar panels that we're using for the system. We've got a 50 kilowatt of inverter capacity with 96 kilowatt hours of battery. Now, what's wonderful about Sig and the big benefit to our customers is that you don't have to start off where you want to end at. Because it's a modular system, you can do it modular. So what we've done is we've completely eliminated the maximum demand for our customer, and we've brought his electricity bill down by 75%. So to sum up what we've done here, this is a revolutionary system, and Sigenergy gives us the ability to do that and to give that to our customers. Thank you, Ken.
100%, guys. So guys, thank you very, very much for tuning in. I want to thank, first of all, Rellings Energy for doing such a professional installation of this job and being such loyal customers. And secondly, I'd like to thank Sigenergy for their unwavering support in both the technical aspect and the product aspect. Until next time, guys, goodbye.